In this video, we bring to you cozy tiny homes built entirely using shipping containers. These single-story container cabins are meticulously crafted from two 40-foot shipping containers. The interior spaces have been carefully curated to prioritize comfort, aesthetic appeal, and top-notch quality. The container walls have been expertly removed to create a luminous open living area. On one end of this inviting living space, a spectacular lounge area awaits, featuring a comfortable sofa bed that infuses contemporary flair into the atmosphere. The sofa bed can be stretched out to create a double bed for additional sleeping space when necessary. Adjacent to the lounge area is a stunning single-walled kitchen space that boasts quality kitchen appliances, custom-designed cabinets, and a meticulously finished kitchen backsplash. The kitchen sink is strategically positioned in front of a small window, not only to illuminate the sink space, but also to frame a picturesque view of the outdoors. The open-plan living area seamlessly accommodates a warm dining space for four, creating an inviting setting for shared meals and entertaining. Transitioning from the living room, the spacious first bedroom welcomes you with a comfortable three-bunk bed, a dedicated workstation, and ample room for movement. Connected to this bedroom is a well-furnished half bathroom for added convenience. On the opposite end of the living area, the second bedroom beacons with a cozy queen bed, a TV for streaming your favorite shows, and a convenient entrance door. This bedroom is complemented by a spa-like bathroom featuring a fully tiled shower cubicle, a toilet, a vanity with ample storage cabinets, and a large bathroom mirror. The color palette chosen for the interior spaces is bright and white, extending seamlessly to the cabinetry, fostering an ambience of airiness and spaciousness to complement the modern aesthetic. And the house is finished with hardwood flooring, giving it a warm, welcoming feel. Each cabin showcases a distinct exterior color accompanied by an additional roof above the containers and a covered entrance porch for added charm. These amazing cabins are also listed as guest houses on Airbnb. Feel free to check them out using the links in the description below. Which part of these container cabins do you like the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.